There are multiple ways to import media in DaVinci Resolve. I'll show you some of them and you decide what suits you best. The first way and the shortest, fastest way is to just drag and drop media on the timeline. Be sure that you are in edit mode. The second way is to go File, Import Media. Also, it works right-click on the media pool and import media or ctrl+I. The third way is to just drag and drop it in the media pool. You can also drag and drop it in the media pool under the media tab. As its name suggests, the media tab is dedicated to your media organization. On the left side you can see media storage. If you don't see it, just click media storage on top here. Right click on it and add a new location. Navigate to your folder with media and select it. This is very useful because you can easily manage your assets, preview clips and see the preferences like duration, size, resolution and so on. Just drag media from the media storage onto the media pool and it will be available in the edit tab also. And this is it, a quick video about how to import media in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.